If you want to extend the life of your roof, Armorlay's synthetic roofing underlayment is the proven solution you're looking for. Our roof underlayment is designed to enhance the life of a roof system and is ideally suited for use with all asphalt-based composite roof shingles, steep slope roof applications, as well as metal roof applications. Armorlay synthetic roof underlayment offers a 60-day resistance to UV breakdown and typical weathering conditions and meets performance characteristics of ASTM D4869 and D226 standards. Slip-resistant polymers applied to the bottom surface as well as slip-resistant top surface makes for uniquely textured fabric that allows for steep slope walkability. It is water-resistant, and unlike traditional asphalt underlayment, Armorlay synthetic roof underlayment will last for years without buckling, warping, or cracking. Our synthetic underlayment compared to felt underlayment is 5 times stronger, 5 times lighter, and 5 times more coverage with one roll. With 1,000 square feet per roll weighing less than 25 pounds, installation is much easier than traditional felt with much better results.